Singer Abhijit, who has been accused of molesting a 34-year-old woman in Mumbai, could be arrested today, say sources. The police has already seized CCTV footage of the event and have recorded statements of eyewitnesses. The alleged molestation bid was caught on camera. Images established that both the complainant and the singer had a face-off at a puja pandal. The woman has lodged an FIR against Abhijit at the Oshiwara police station. The incident took place at a Durga Puja pandal in Lokhandwala, where Abhijit was one of the organizers. The victim, who is an Andheri resident, had visited the pandal to watch singer Kailash Kher's live performance. She claims that while standing to watch the performance, Abhijit touched her inappropriately. When she objected to his misbehavior, the singer reportedly lashed out at her publicly and asked her to be taken to the pandal office. She was further threatened, she claims, before she was thrown out by volunteers.
He was very abusive. Only mother and father को लेके वो openly गाली दे रही थी वहाँ पे. That is the only that. फिर उसको उठा के बाहर कर दी गया. She never went to the police station. Police took her to the police station.
We called the cops.
We called the cops. हमारे यहाँ पे हैं ही, थे ही लेडीज कॉप, और वो लेडीज कॉप को धक्का दिया. अभी कौन जाके बोलेगा कि मैंने ये किया? कितनी बड़ी बेवकूफ़ी है, कितनी बड़ी बदमाशी है. ये इस तरह से कहना, जहाँ पे मेरी पूरी फैमिली, मेरा ससुराल, मेरी दुर्गा पूजा के हजारों लोग वहाँ पे बैठे हैं, सब दर्शन कर रहे हैं, आरती चल रहा है, प्रोग्राम चल रहा है, और किसी पर इस तरह से इल्जाम लगाना आसमान पे सूरज को छूने के बराबर हो गया. टारगेटिंग मी टू गेट द पब्लिसिटी.
Meanwhile, the woman who was accused singer Abhijit Mukherjee of molesting her created ruckus outside the Oshiwara police station. The woman had a knife in her hand and kept shouting for hours outside the police station using abusive language. She even threatened some bystanders with a knife and later threatened to kill herself. She was demanding the singer's immediate arrest. She was eventually calmed down by the policeman. Let's get word from Mustafa, our correspondent who's with us live from Mumbai. Mustafa, tell us exactly when this incident happened, and we're also running pictures of this woman protesting outside the Oshiwara police station with a knife. When did this protest happen?
So the protest with the knife happened yesterday night, and in the evening also she had come here. The demand she is making at this point of time is that she is pressurizing police to arrest Abhijit Bhattacharya, who is a famous singer who stays near Oshiwara police station. So she has registered a complaint, and now she is saying that he wants him to be arrested. Also, basically the police at this point of time are saying that they have recorded statements of the few eyewitnesses who were present at the spot at that point of time, and this incident has taken place on Wednesday night at a Durga Puja which happens in the Lokhandwala area. The Abhijit is main organizer of that event. Singer Kailash Kher was performing there at that point of time when this woman, as she claimed that she reached at the concert to meet a friend of hers, and she was meeting them when this incident has taken place. She has accused the singer of touching her back inappropriately, and that's when the argument between them started, which then went on to the security guards, and Abhijit's sisters also got involved. The woman has also made an allegation against the sisters of the singer, saying that she was abused by them, and accordingly their statement will also be recorded. So since the time the police complaint has been registered, what we have in the public view is the CCTV footage. Both the parties have spoken, and they are alleging each other. It's now on the Oshiwara police station to decide what evidence they have, and accordingly necessary action will be taken against the singer.
Thanks so much, Mustafa, for that update. We're going to keep coming back to you for more.